Hello, this is a tutorial for my first Lego Puzzle Box remake, and with me I got your name.
Carter.
Okay, BrickYorkMan 24. Okay, so you start with 8 by 6. No, 10 by 6 plate, and fill it with smooth pieces. Except in the corner here and here, because here you want to put these kind of pieces. It's 1 by 1 with half in the middle, like empty space, and smooth pieces on top. Are you there? Hello. Okay. He's kind of... Okay, and 1 by 1 smooth there. You got these two... disc inputs thingy. DVDs. Looks like this. This will slide under here. So you need to make 2 of those. Now 1 by 3 flat. 2 by 1 brick. 1 by 2 smooth. Some flats or 1 brick and smooth. I hope you can see. I don't need to explain everything, I hope, because it's HD, so you will be able to see. Okay, on this piece on this side, it's 1 by 2 by 6 sixes, and then flat pieces actually all over except these 2 stud space down here, so you can fill this up. Then bricks on top of it, not on top, kind of, but around, and then smooth pieces here, except here, leave a 1 by 1 space there. Then this piece, put it under here, and you got the left side done. Okay. Are you there?
Oh yeah. I sorry.
Here's 2 by 4 bricks, and no, you wanna, yes, like that. Smooth pieces here. No, not smooth pieces. Flat pieces under here. Here's put a 1 by 1 stud there, because this piece will be able to slide there, and this will go. We'll put that on, and like that, like you extended one stud piece, make something of that, and then fill this up like that. Flat pieces like that. If you make it right and put it here, it will look like something like this, like that space there, and you need to take 2 1 by 3s, these kind of couch pieces, which I call them. What do you call them? Couch pieces.
That's what I call them too, either chair or couch. That's what I call them.
Looks like that. Okay. You put it back here. Yep. And what do we do? We take that's that side. Okay, so kind of 3 by 6 space, and then long flat piece, and smooth pieces on top. I need to do this a little quickly because I'm kind of starting to run out of space. How can this be there? Should be there. Okay. No. Yes. It will be there. Okay. Put this piece there, and I'm gonna take 2 4x2s flats, 2 4x2s bricks and one by flat, smooth, there. Yeah, turn this around. I'm getting confused with my box. Nothing will be here, but something will be there. I don't know. Oh, there, right. Then you take 2 1x2s with holes in, 1x6, most pieces are all around, and they'll, except here, we'll leave that. So it will fit here, so it's smooth pieces all around there. And then here you just fill it up with smooth pieces here, and on this side you take 1 by 1 here, and 1 by 1 flat, and just make something top of that, so it's the same. Yeah, I'm making this right. Oh, this piece is a 1 by 6. It looks like this. 2 by 6. I mean, smooth pieces. 1 by 4, like that. Put that there, and then 1 by. You can see two. You can see the line, so it doesn't need to explain because I have a little bad accent. However, you put that there, fits smoothly. Now 6 by 4, 2 by 1. It's a little design on top, and one. Put that one there. And you take one with hole here, flat pieces. Like that. Hope you can see. Yeah. You need one of these. It's a 4 stud length. You put it in this hole to lock this. Look how strong it is. And then what? Oh. Yeah. Slide that out with that piece. Put that in back. Oh, it's evening for me. It's like 10 to 9 p.m. 20:51. And I take 2 8 by 2s and maybe smooth pieces stuff. This is mostly for security, to make this fit, and you know what I mean. So, but there you have it, and thank you, Carter, for being with here. Bye.
No problem.